Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 15 is a tulip. As you can see, tulip, you need two papers. One is green colored and one is pink, orange, some tulip color. First, flowers. Fold diagonal and fold this triangle into half again. Unfold and then about 1/3 area fold like this. The bottom is the center of the paper. Other side as well. Turn over the paper and fold the end part, not too big. Opposite side as well. Now it will look like this. It will look like tulip, right? Very simple. The flower part is done. Now fold a stem and leaves all together in one motion. Okay, fold diagonal, big triangle, unfold and fold a long triangle, and do the same for the other side. And fold once more time for the area which was just folded. This part will become thick, and the opposite side as well. Now you have like this. Fold at the center and press hard. Fold like this around 2/5 area, just the top side. The long side is overlapping the bottom side. Then unfold and turn around the paper and fold towards inside. This technique is called Nakaware-ori, which you will have the lecture in the next. In this week, adjust the angle of leaves. Press hard to make better appearance. So the stem and leaves are done at once and connect against the flowers. And you can actually cut the bottom of flower and insert them, and then it will be connected. Okay, let's see by supplement video. Triangle into half, unfold and fold smaller triangle. The length is at your choice. Unfold, turn over, excuse me, and fold the end towards the inside. So the flower part is done. Okay, put flower aside. Now work for the stem. Fold big triangle. Unfold and fold long triangle. Make sure the side line of the triangle is on the center line. You do the same for the other side. Now fold once again to make it thick and narrow. Other side as well. And fold into half. Now this is the Nakaware-ori part. See, inside. The stem part is inside. In lecture 17, you will have more detailed explanation of Nakawara-ori, so please do not worry. And connect flower and stem. Adjust the angle of leaves. Okay, that's it.